Next pillar for lifestyle medicine includes exercise. And the general recommendations from societies are to do 150 minutes a week of moderate exercise, or at least 75 minutes a week of vigorous exercise. And that would be where you can barely hold a conversation. That's the endurance part. And also you should be doing resistance exercises twice a week. And my own favorite is to add in balance exercises 3 times a week. The importance of balance is that the better your balance is, the less likely you'll fall. And the balance for all of us decreases starting probably at about age 40 or so. And unless you practice it regularly, it really is impaired. So you could do simple exercises at home while watching TV or doing anything else. You could stand on one foot with a chair in front of you to start. Stand on one foot for 10 seconds. If that becomes easy for you, you could stand on one foot and close your eyes, which is really quite challenging. Or you could stand on one foot and try to turn your head one way or the other. And these exercises are so important because falls really can cause fractures and cause long-term health problems. So the resistance exercises or strength exercises are important to decrease fractures, and the balance exercises are important to decrease falls. And the best for your brain is not only to do these exercises, but to do something that you have to think along with it. So for instance, things like Tai Chi or Zumba, where you have to think and move at the same time, are really ideal for brain health. So try to do those. And then some people complain that they don't really get the endorphin high that other people get from exercising, but be rest assured that it's still doing benefit for your brain. Your brain puts out something called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, like Miracle-Gro for your brain. So it increases the number of neurons you have, and it also increases the connections, the synapses between them. And that is so important for memory and for recall. So exercise, so important for long-term health, and any increment in exercise from what you're doing now would be excellent. And any intensity helps, even if it's very gentle, very mild, although greater intensity probably will help more.